Hello everyone, welcome back to our second session. What do you have for the second session? Very good, Grammar Galaxy 3, right? Okay, so do you have the textbook near you, everyone? Okay, today we will practice the exercises on page 20. Okay, and maybe you learn a lot this week. I review simple present with be, simple present with verb, and next week I'm going to review a simple present continuous for you, and you will practice more exercises. Okay, so today I would like you to practice the exercises on page 20. Okay, so you can open the book all together on page 20. Are you at the same page, everyone? Okay, on page 20, we have three activities here, right? E, F, and G. Okay, so now look at letter E all together. E, complete each sentence with the given words. Use the simple present or the present continuous. Okay, this time you can use simple present or present continuous. You have to use it correctly with the form, okay? I hope you can use it well. Okay, so now you can look at the exercises. Okay, I would like you to look at part E all together, and I have a minute, maybe a minute for you, so long, right? I have 30 seconds for you to complete this exercise, and after that I will correct for you. Okay, so I would like you to do it first, and then I will correct for you. Do it now. Finish, everyone? Very good. Okay, so now let's check your answer with me. Number one is given as an example, right? And they give you the word run. Yeah, Emma isn't here right now. She's running in the park, okay? So you put present continuous or present, present progressive. You can say present continuous or present progressive. Okay, how about number two? Simple present or present continuous. I want that bike, it blah blah blah, much money. So this one, simple present, right? So we have not cost, so it must be doesn't, right? Doesn't or does not. Does not or doesn't cost much money. How about number three? Chris and Mel blah 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 sports. Okay, and they give you the word love. So this one, it must present, simple present or present continuous. It must be simple present, right? So you use the word love. Okay, have L, not everyone? No, why? Because Chris and Mel, there are two people, right? So two people refer to they, we don't add it. Okay, how about number four? Please be quiet. The baby, blah blah blah, and then they give you the word sleep. So simple present or present continuous? Present continuous. Okay. The baby is sleeping. Why? Why present continuous? Because the action is ongoing, right? It is ongoing action. Okay. Let's continue to number five. I'm sick. I'm blah 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 in bed, and they give you the word stay. So simple present or present continuous? Present continuous. So I use with am, right? Am staying, right? Am staying in bed. It is ongoing action. Okay. Grandma blah 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 at 6 o'clock every morning. So this one it must be simple present, right? Get up. But grandma is only one person referred to she, right? So she you have to add as gets up. Okay, so now we finish part E. Let's continue to part F. F, unscramble and write. Okay, so now I would like you to do it first, and after that I will correct for you. In this part you have to look at the sign or the punctuation carefully. If you see full stop, it means negative or affirmative. But if you see a question mark, it must be a question or yes/no question, right? You have to use the correct form to unscramble and write. Okay, so now do it. Finish? Okay, so now let's correct the answer with me, everyone. Okay, number one is given as an example, right? Dennis doesn't like computer games. Dennis doesn't like computer games. How about the second one? We have you, the song, do, no, and question mark. It must be a question form, right? So question form start with do, right? Very good. Do, and after that plus subject, right? What is the subject here? You, right? Do, you, and after that plus verb, right? What verb here? Know, right? Do you know this song? Do you know this song? Question mark. Okay, now let's continue to number two. Oh, we see one more question mark, so it must be question, right? Okay, so start with what, everyone? Look at here. We have mom, cake, baking is a. So it must be is, right? Start with is. Okay, so after is we have to use subject, right? What is the subject here? Mom, right? Mom is the subject. And after subject we plus verb ing because it is progressive. Where is verb ing? Baking, right? Okay. Baking a cake. Is mom baking a cake? Okay, how about number four? Oh, we see question mark again. Start with R. Very good. Start with R, and you start with a capital letter, okay, or uppercase. And after that we use subject, right? Where is the subject? Those people, okay? Those people. How about the last one, everyone? Wearing, okay? Are those people wearing? Question mark. The last one. Does homework do Jason? Question mark. Okay, so it is a question. So start with what? Start with does, okay? Start with does because the subject is Jason, right? Does Jason do his homework? Does Jason do his homework? Okay. Alright, so now we finish part F successfully, and I hope your answers are correct. Now let's continue to part G. Part G, underline the mistakes or write the correction. Okay, so now I would like you to do it first, and after that I will correct for you. Do it now. Finish? Very good. Okay, so now let's check your answer with me. Look at number one. Number one is given as an example, right? You change am to are. Why you change am to are, everyone? Because you see Jean and I. So how many people? Two people, right? Refer to we. So we use with are. We don't use with am. Okay, look at number two. Lucy has long dark hair. Okay, so you can underline the word has. Okay, have is irregular verb, right? So irregular verb you change to has. Okay, we don't write have with as. Okay, have you change to has. How about number three? Do they walking home every day? Okay, where the mistake? Walking. Okay, so you underline the word walking all together, everyone. Walking. So how do you change? This one we use base form of verb. We use only walk. Okay, only walk, not walking. Do they walk home every day? Okay, how about number four? His hands are warm. He's wear gloves. Okay, where the mistake? Wear, right? Okay, wear. The verb stand after verb to be, you have to add in and g, right? So where you change to wearing. Okay, he's wearing gloves. Okay, how about the last one, everyone? You are watching the show. Yeah, you are watching the show, but question mark. So where the mistake? It must be you are, right? Okay, you are is the mistake. You are, you underline you are, and then you change to are you, okay? Okay, because this is the question form. So you change to are you. Alright, so this is the end of our lesson, and this is the end of our video lesson for online class, right? Because we have only 2 weeks to study online, and next week you will study in the classroom. Okay, this is the end of our session, and see you next time. I don't want to see you again, okay, in the video. I would like you to study in the classroom. Bye bye.